Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mami Joycey. Yeah, here it's a beautiful morning. It's 9 a.m. Yeah, guys, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, just subscribe, drop a sweet comment, then share. Yeah, guys, help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, guys, today I've decided to take a nature walk. Yeah, guys, because today I was indoors, and when somebody's just indoors, you keep on thinking so many things. Yeah, but let me refresh my mind by taking a nature walk. Yeah, I want to walk, just refresh my mind, then I'll go back to the house. Yeah, here I'm on my way. Want to see the beautiful creation of God. Yeah, trees. You can see, like, isn't that this is the mango tree? Yeah, yeah, you can see, but the mangoes are not there due to here is a dry season. Right now there's no rain. Yeah, guys, and this is vegetables, traditional vegetables. They're so sweet. In fact, they add iron in our body. Yeah, my grandma used to cook it for us without salt, and it was so sweet. I remember those days. Yeah, and she used to use a pot when cooking it. At us nowadays, getting pots is rare, so we use sufurias. Yeah, so yeah, I'm walking. Then walking is a nice exercise. Oh, because I'm an athlete. That's one way of doing exercise. Today I just felt tired. My body didn't want to go to the field, so I can't force myself. It reaches a point that the body says no, and when you force it, you will get poor results. Instead of getting poor results, let me relax so that I can gain today and tomorrow and the weekend. Those are 4 days that I want to rest. Yeah. Then on Monday I'll be back to the field. Yeah, because I need to rest. I'm tired. Because track and field, I'll be competing in June, so I don't want to stress my body so much. You can see those are maize plantains, and those are the napier grass for the cows. Yeah, people here plant maize, napier grass, and those beautiful houses you see behind there, those are the housing program of our President Ruto. Yeah, the housing program that he introduced. You can see how beautiful the houses are. They're almost done. Yeah, they're almost done. Yeah, guys, they look so beautiful. And if you can see beyond, you can see something right there. That is Mount Kenya, top of Mount Kenya. Yeah, guys, this area that I reside in, Embu, we are in Mount Kenya region. Yeah, but here you cannot see it clearly, but I know you have now a hint. Yeah, you can see how the environment here is cool, clean. Now the kids are in school, no more vehicles, no more motorbikes. Yeah, the road is so quiet. Yeah, I'm enjoying. In fact, I'm feeling that coolness. It's so sweet. So even walking is something good. Yeah, I'm happy doing it. Yeah, you can see those are the motorbike people who carry us to the market, and that is their stage. Yeah, and now I'm on my way, just strolling. Yeah, enjoying the beautiful creation. Yeah, enjoying the beautiful moments. Yeah, yes guys, yeah, you can see. Yeah, now the sun is direct to my face, and it is 3 a.m. Ay, it's very hot. You can see this is an SDA church. Those who worship in 70 day, this is their church. Yeah, that is their beautiful church. For those who go church on Sabbath. Yeah. Yeah, you can see. I'm really enjoying this nature walk. Wow, I'm marching like a soldier. They go for route march. Now this is my own route march. It's so sweet, only that I don't have those heavy things to carry in my back, but it's so sweet indeed. Yeah, it's so sweet. Yeah guys, you can see that is the slaughterhouse. Yes, this is the slaughterhouse. Yeah, where cows, chickens are being slaughtered, and we get meat from there. Yes guys, you can see, you can read even that it is written Embu Chicken Mongers Slaughterhouse. Yeah, okay. And this is a Catholic church where I worship. I'm a staunch Catholic, and I'm proud to be a Catholic. And this route here is going to the Eastern Region Prisons headquarters. Yeah, near here there's a prison where inmates are being confined. Yeah guys, can see I'm enjoying my nature walk. Though the road is a tarmac one, our MCAs, governors, MPs, they always give us false promises that, oh, when you elect me, everywhere will be a tarmac road. But you can see it is a maram road, not tarmac. See, it is a maram road, very bad, full of dust and full of potholes. But we have no other choice. We did our wrong selection, so we need to bear it until 2027 again. We see if we can elect someone else who will come and cheat us again, because that's what Kenyans we are used to, being cheated. Cheated. Yes, and we do not learn. That's the funny thing. Each election season we elect a wrong person. Now that is Kenyans. Yes guys, I'm happy. My mind feels cool. My mind feels fresh due to the freshness air that I'm getting out here. Yeah, I'm very much happy, guys. I can't explain how that feeling. Wow. I feel like, yeah, it's so sweet to enjoy the nature walk. Even walking is something good. You can see now this is a hospital. It's called Joachim Nursing Hospital. This is where we come when we are sick. You are being admitted there, you are being treated there, outpatient, inpatient. Yeah. So guys, this where I stay, there is everything. There's a mosque, there's Catholic church, there's SDA church, there's an hospital, there's a prison, everything in that area. So it is a nice area. I love it. Yeah, guys. You can see here even though it is a dry season, but you can see green. The environment is so green. This soil is so good. Whenever it rains once, even if it is once a year, that soil carries water, which makes the environment look green. Yeah, so that we can plant and get food to eat. Yeah, you can see it's very green. You can see even there's a maize farm, very big one at that. Yeah, there's a very big farm there, but you cannot, I think you can see it now there. Those are the maize plantings. Yeah, guys, people here plant maize even though it is a dry season, since it rained last year November. Yeah, this is 2025. We are still waiting God to do a miracle for us, if I can get one. Oh, I'm really enjoying bit by bit. You can see that one is like a small estate. People live there. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm in another estate. You can see they've planted maize. It's just on the road, but the maize are doing good. Yeah, I told you. Yeah, this soil is so good. It carries more water, even though it is a dry season. Even though when it's dry, people they can farm and still get food. Yeah, guys. Now I want to end my video. Hope we'll meet in the next video, because I want to talk to somebody here. Yeah, guys, see you in my next video. God bless you. God bless you. Continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. Love you guys.